Hey everybody, this is Levi from Bayfoils, and today we're doing a little review video. The number one question that gets asked a lot with e-foiling is, what do you need to wear when you're out there riding? And legally, depends on where you are. In California, where we're located, we're just required to have a PFD, a Coast Guard approved life vest. But, the other piece of equipment that's kind of essential just for like safety is a helmet. So today we're going to cover a couple of helmets that we like and sell here at the shop, and just kind of go over some of the benefits of, spending more money on kind of like a premium helmet. And so the first one we're going to take a look at is Flite's new helmet here. We just got these in. They're super sweet. It's just under $100, which is a really great price point. What I like about these is they're super lightweight. They come in great colors. There's the salt brush, which is like the Flite's kind of color, an orange and a black. What I like about these is if you look here on the inside, we have this like kind of mesh netting that kind of keeps it on your dome really good. Then also the buckle here, it's not actually a buckle. It's this like kind of magnet slide lock. This is pretty cool. Buckles get busted. And so having like a buckle free kind of setup makes it easy to take on and off. The only thing about this helmet that is kind of lacking is it's a little bit flexible compared to some other brands that we're going to take a look at. So I don't think this is not going to protect your head from the foil getting cut or hitting it on rocks or something. But I don't know. It just feels a little bit flexible compared to some other helmets, and that we'll get into. But for the price, under $100, you really can't beat, because the other options are a lot more expensive. Next helmet we're going to talk about is the Gath helmet. I'm sure people know, if you're in water sports, you know this brand. These are like the iconic surf brand. What makes these helmets real nice is they're kind of, the head portion here feels really good. It offers 3/4 coverage, so you have more coverage on the back of your head. It's got these nice vent ports for your ear holes in case of your duck diving. But again, just like the Flitecord helmet, it's a little bit flexible. So if you took like a carbon board with an Explorer battery to the dome or on the side here, it might still ring our belt pretty good. But if you're looking for super low profile, but also full coverage, the Gath helmet is really nice. I'll put it on so you can see on the head part here, there's no bill or visor. So when you're duck diving, it doesn't, push your head back. So that's why surfers like these helmets. With e-foiling, if we're launching ourselves headfirst into the water, this isn't gonna like slide all over the place. So this is another cool option. I don't know off the top of my head how much these helmets go for, but I think they're in the $100 to $150 price range as well. The next helmet we're going to look at here is the WRSI helmet. This is their Trident. And you can see here, this is a well-loved helmet. This has been the helmet of choice that I've been using for 3 seasons. WRSI comes from Whitewater River, and so these helmets are like super heavy duty. You can see like I'm flexing it here. This helmet does not move as much as the other ones. It's much more rigid plastic material, and you got like a really nice more hardcore motorcycle kind of padding on the inside. And so this helmet, I've taken some hits to the dome with this guy, and every one of these scratches is a hit, and I've never gotten concussed or anything. This definitely probably offers much more impact protection because of all that padding there. If you get hit on the dome with the board, it's not gonna really cause a lot of damage, and also this hard plastic is gonna protect you against cuts. You can see here I have all the radios and stuff on it. But these are great helmets. They're in the more expensive price range, obviously, because this is fiber reinforced plastic. So it's lightweight, but also still really stiff. And again, the bill, I like the bill. I still rock this helmet with the hat on for extra visor. because it's a little bit of a short bill. But again, really cool option, really super heavy duty. So the last brand we're looking at here is our like favorite. It's Sweet Helmets. This brand makes some really heavy duty, but also light, low profile helmets. This model is called the Strutter, and it's kind of our particular favorite because it's low profile and full bill. So you can rock this helmet without a hat underneath. And so just a helmet and you got some sun coverage. These are the kind of the Rolls Royce of helmets here, because you can see, just like WRSI, this one is a plastic fiber reinforced helmet. It's super stiff. I'm like really putting a lot of weight to flex this helmet. So it's super heavy duty, but it's also super lightweight. The big thing you'll see when you look at the more expensive helmets is they're super sturdy, but also super lightweight. Because there are other helmet brands out there that make super heavy duty helmets as well, that are plastic and inexpensive, but they're super heavy. Just like with our flight boards, you know, going lighter weight just feels better on your head. It's just more, it's nicer. And so this is our Strutter carbon. You could see here under the brim here, this is carbon fiber reinforced and plastic. And so this is like, I don't have the actual weights here, but I'll put it in the comments what they actually weigh. But this helmet is easily a third of the weight of this helmet. It's like super light, but because it's carbon reinforced, it's still really rigid and stiff. This is, you could see here, this has been tested thoroughly in both whitewater rafting, e-foiling, all sorts of disciplines, and it still holds up. Every one of those dings is like hitting a wing or a rock or something. And yeah, they're just really nice. They're the most expensive brand out there, I think. I'll put all the prices in the comments with these exact models too. At the end of the day, every helmet has the potential to save your life, but you know, a nicer helmet is definitely going to make wearing the helmet feel nicer when you're on the water. Obviously, it feels better to not have anything, but I'm also been around the block, skateboarded a lot, taken a lot of falls, and know better than to try my luck. And so when I'm out there, I really don't want to skimp on my experience. So I go with the nice helmet. This has been my new one that I've been using. I like this newer version. Also has this sweet little like finger adjuster in the back to accommodate different head sizes. So if you have if you want to just get one helmet and share with your significant other, these are nice because they're real easy to adjust. So hopefully this helped you with the decision-making process. Again, ride safe, ride smart, and we'll see you out on the water. Cheers.